Matt, you're on.
You just press the red button.
I know, but aren't you going to record it?
It's recording. Come on.
Open up your presents, Matt. Don't stand in.
I don't want to open my presents.
Listen now.
Maddie, open up the presents. Please.
Rudolph.
Come on.
Hey, Mom. Go all the way over there.
I guess you don't want to open up Christmas presents, Matt?
Nope.
Thank you, Santa.
So this is what's this? Open this one, Mom. Open this one. That's from Nicole.
Wow.
Open. Maddie, smile.
Mate, this is what I say to you.
Oh, this is from Miss Rebecca, Mom.
Wow.
Miss Rebecca.
What's this, Maddie? Oh, no. That is good. Yeah, Jack Sparrow.
And this is from Janet and Greg.
Yeah!
What's that? Show it. Smile.
From Janet and Greg. This one. Open Miss Rebecca's.
Now, what was that you got? Matt.
Wow. 64 crayons?
Wow, who'd you get that from?
That's from Miss Rebecca.
It's a lot.
What do you say, Matt?
Thank you.
Maddie, smile at the camera. What do you say?
Thank you.
What do you say to your
This
teacher?
one, Mom.
Merry Christmas.
From James.
I hope it's Dumbo.
That's James from our office, Maddie.
I hope it's Dumbo.
He's a nice guy, James.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Oh, cool. Look at that.
You
You
know
like
what?
that?
Uh-oh.
That's nice.
I have enough of
I like that.
What else did you get, man?
You gave it to me? Yes. I know what it is. What is it? Jumping beans?
Yeah.
Oh, jacket again.
What?
Choose.
Thanks.
Here's babe.
Another one? I wonder what it is.
Large.
Paper?
Oh my goodness. I like it. I like it. Thank you, Santa.
You like this, huh?
Yeah.
Thanks, Mom.
I have the jacket.
Oh, look.
Nice.
Wonder what this is. And this is race.
Oh my goodness. I told Matthew that I want a boat. See, Matthew? I told you that I want a boat. I want a boat, Matthew. So Santa give me a boat.
Matt, sing a Christmas song.
We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh.
Okay, open up your presents, man.
Let's see what it is.
Smile at the camera.
Legos!
What kind of Legos?
Racers!
Cool.
What's this? Up!
This one from Miss Rebecca.
Up!
Oh my goodness.
PG!
From Miss Rebecca.
I don't want to watch this!
Nice.
From Miss Rebecca.
What's that, Maddie?
No.
Ooh.
Smile, both of you. Smile.
Cheese.
Cheese!
Cheese.
I wonder when it should...
Here, open this one.
500 pieces! That's a lot of pieces.
Wow, what kind of puzzle is that?
Above the canyon.
Cool.
It's not too hard. To Maddie, love mom and dad. And I know what it could be. A CD? Thank you!
What'd you get?
Thank you,
Jackson
Santa.
5!
Alright.
That's just what I want. Ooh, to Maddie from Santa.
Open.
Battleship?
How many battleship you got?
We can give one to Toby if he wants.
Smile.
Cheese! How did he know? I don't know. Do we have it?
Open up. You got all these presents, Maddie. What are you doing?
What is one? What is
Oh,
yours?
it's mine. Yeah. Yahtzee! Cool.
And coloring by numbers.
Wow!
Let me see. Show me. Smile. Nice.
Open your presents in.
It sounds fun.
Maddie, all these are yours.
Open
You,
that from
Maddie,
James.
Maddie, open up all your presents.
This is...
Here, this is yours.
I got a lot of presents. Wait till...
Smile, Maddie.
Look at this.
What'd you get? Oh, wow.
No way!
What's that? Smile, look at the camera. Show me. What'd you get?
500-piece puzzles.
Wow.
A lot.
That's Smarty.
Yeah.
Here. I just got
Daddy! I hope it's a whole thing. Legos! Yay! Yay, Legos! Lego City! Maddie. And another car? Oh my goodness. Well, thanks whoever gave this to me. I gave one of my old cars to Daniela. Ooh, what's that? A roll of paper?
Yeah. Paper we did.
Yeah.
Smile.
Huh? A train set?
Oh, wow.
See? Wow. A train. Super train.
Smile, Matt. What'd you get? What'd you get?
A train set.
What are we gonna put
Matt,
the
smile.
presents
Maddie, smile.
Cheese.
Wow, look at that
What
train
is-
set.
Tagapaga para sa
Mine.
toys?
Wow. A card puzzle.
Matt, sing Jingle Bells or a Christmas
Jingle
song.
bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. I wonder what this is. Nanny, I'm Santa.
Look at the camera.
A Flint? Yeah, just what I wanted.
What'd you get?
Flintstones.
Smile. Good job.
Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas.
You have that.
Well, that's a video I have. I have the video, but videos aren't so good anymore. Remember what happened to videos in 2005? They went extinct.
Extinct.
Yeah, they don't have
What's that? All right.
Wow.
Show me. Smile for the camera.
Thanks, Dad.
Hold it up and smile. Smile. Wait, not in front of Mommy's face. Smile so I can see it. Good job.
I hate Hannah Montana. I want Miley Cyrus to cry. What's this? Scrabble. Ooh,
Nice game.
I love Scrabble.
Why do you like Scrabble? Tell me.
It makes words and letters.
Yeah?
Yeah. What's this?
This is yours. The card.
This is a good Christmas. It's impossible that it's Christmas already.
Oh, Maddie, what'd you get?
That's from
Yay!
Daniela's mom.
Oh, yay, money! Money, money, money.
Nanay. From nanay.
Toby and Daniel.
Of nanay.
Thank you,
So
Toby.
big.
I thought Toby was being mean to me. Let's see
Take your
this.
money, okay?
Yeah.
Wait. Wow.
$30.
Yeah, because you did that more money.
Sorry, SpongeBob!
Wow.
Cool.
I love this.
Nice.
I wonder what this is. If it's a roll of paper, I'm lucky. Area. Monopoly City!
Cool.
I have this. I have Monopoly City already.
You have Monopoly City?
Yeah. Didn't you give me that, Dad?
That's your Christmas present.
Oh, you gave it to me.
Wow, nice.
I don't want to eat my snowman ever. I want to see this.
Oh, oops.
Ah,
Is that yours?
no, that's yours.
Open that for me.
I wonder what you got. You got mail. Macy's.
All right.
From Jane.
Yeah. Ooh, look what you got.
Nice.
Oh, barnacles. Look, Mom gave this to me. You
Open that.
open it. If it's your present, you open it. Where's my roll of paper?
That's probably where you're going to Kathy's and Joni's.
It's the same thing like in the post. What's this? I think it's mine. Let's see. A couple of CDs. I think this is for you. That must be for you, Dad.
That's money.
No, that's Dad's.
That's that.
Yeah.
Wrap
Turn this! I hate it!